Hi there, I'm Paul. I'm from England. I came to Goa several years ago, and my wife had her knee replaced here, following my sister's 2 hip replacements here. So I phoned Dr. Amir after a couple of emails, which were very quickly responded to. We set a time and then came over here to have my knee done. My life before the knee replacement was getting worse. I was restricted to walking just to the end of the driveway in my house. I couldn't walk very far, and then when I did, it was very painful. Seeing how my wife had the operation and she could walk very easily, I thought, yes, that's what I want. So we came over to Goa, and this is the actual hospital where my wife had her knee replaced. So I knew what the conditions were, what the staff were like, and they've been absolutely brilliant. So I set the time, came over here, went for the operation the day before yesterday, and it was a absolutely smooth process. I was awake during the operation, and I saw complete professionalism from the surgeons and the nurses attending me. The cost is just so much smaller than a knee replacement in the UK. It's a quarter, so that justifies it just in itself. I can actually walk a little bit at the moment. Considering this is only day 3 since I've had my operation, I find that absolutely remarkable. So if all goes well, I should be home, I think, tomorrow, and I can carry on my life, and I know it's going to get better. If I hadn't had this done, I would have been in a wheelchair. So many thanks to Dr. Amir, who's a brilliant guy, and all the staff here for looking after me. Thank you.